is equal to, because h is the external point, therefore we have to put the minus sign, the minus of the ratio concept, distance between g and h, gh divided by the distance. So again we have to measure the distance from h to second point in the line. What is second point? Yes, hs divided by hs. Now how many units are there from g to h? 1, 2, 3, 4 units divided by hs. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. That is minus 2 by 3. Our ratio is minus 2 is to 3. So the point h divides gs externally in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, in this way, in this manner, we can find the ratio at which any point divides the any line segment. So we can find the s divides at what ratio? The line hg also. The line hg is divided by s at what ratio? We can find in this manner. Have you understood the procedure of the finding of the ratio? ఏంటమ్మా ఎవరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు? హున్మయి, శబ్నం, మైత్రేయి, సుమదిని, రమేష్. ఏమ్మా అర్థమైందా క్లియర్గా ఇక్కడ చెప్పింది ఏంటో?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే, సరే నోట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తా. I will say the one problem. What is the advantage of this Euler's line? For any triangle, even though vertices may or may not be given, if any out of the 4 points, any 2 points are given, h and g or n and g or n and s, any 2 points are given, other 2 points we can find. If -1 4 and 2 5 or the centroid and orthocenter of a triangle, then find N and S. Find the 9-point circle center and circumcenter. Now first point is the orthocenter, no, centroid. Given that G is equal to -1, 4, and the next one orthocenter. Second one is the orthocenter, 2, 5. We draw the number line, draw the Euler's line, not number line, Euler's line. The first point H, last point S, midpoint N. Why should draw the number line, Euler's line? Because we have to find the ratio at which N divides GS line, not GS, GH line. 2 points G and H are given. Here we have to consider GH is a line, or HG also you can consider as the line segment. Therefore, here we have to find the ratio at which our required point N divides HG line. For that purpose only we are drawing the Euler's line. To find the ratio, we are drawing the Euler's line. Now first, let us consider the line is GH or HG. You decide first. Okay. HG, left to right, let us come left to right. Leftmost point H, next G. Therefore, let us consider HG as a line. Okay. Consider HG as a line segment. Okay, here the point G. Next, to find the ratio at which N divides which line? HG line. In the ratio is equal to, how to identify the ratio in the line segment? What point is the first? H. What is the dividing point? N. Hn I mean distance. Hn means distance. We have to count on the line segment, on the Euler's line. Is to, again start from N. And next, what is the second point in the line segment? You have chosen G. అంటే మీరు చూజ్ చేసుకున్న లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ హెచ్జీ చేసుకున్నారు. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ G. Okay. Now count the Hn length. 1, 2, 3 units. And the Ng length 1 unit only. Okay. And observe, is it the internal point or external point? The point N internal or external? Okay. It is internal point. Mention there. Anyone, if either internal or external, here you mention there. Internally. Then only we got some clarity about the position of the point N. Now let us, we can find the N. Don't fall in the confusion. Take the ratio Hn is to Ng, write it, but not as the is to, by dots, divided by positive form. Hn divided by Ng is equal to 3 by 1. Now write Hn as H minus N. Okay. H minus N by N minus G is equal to 3, and make the cross multiplication. H minus n is equal to 3n minus 3g. Now which point we asked n? So separate the n in the one side and other 2 points take the other side. So n goes to right side 4n. It is equal to h plus 3g. Now write the x coordinates of h and g, and after that write the y coordinates of h and g. H x coordinate 2 plus 3 into g x coordinate minus 1, comma, next again put the y coordinates of same points. H y coordinate 5 plus 3 into g y coordinate 4 minus 1, comma, 12 plus 5 17. Now this is 4n, but we want n. Now divide with 4. Dividing by 4 we will obtain the n. Dividing by 4. N is equal to minus 1 by 4, comma, 17 by 4. We got the n. Note it. Okay, what point next? Yes, the circumcenter we have to find. The line is enough. The Euler's line first we have drawn. It is enough. No need to draw again. No need to draw again. It is enough. The line segment, what is the line segment? HG. So we have to start from the ratio at which S divides. So I will write the ratio at which S divides the line segment HG. At which S divides HG is equal to, how to write, measurement from H to S. HS is to S to G. So how many units are there from H to S? 6 units. Count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And SG counting 1, 2, only 2 units. So this is also 3:1 ratio. But internal pointer, external pointer. External point. Here HG up to here, S lies far away from HG. Okay, S is the, we have to mention here externally. Okay. Now let us write the coordinates of S. By taking HS by SG, HS by SG is equal to, the ratio is 3:1, but it is the external point, therefore we have to put the minus sign, minus 3/1. Now write HS just like as H minus n. Hn ఎలా రాసామో అట్లాగే HS కూడా. H minus S divided by S minus G is equal to minus 3, and cross multiplying H minus S is equal to minus 3S plus 3G. Now we have to collect the S. Let us transfer S terms to one side, left side or right side. The 2S is equal to 3G minus H. Okay, I have erased the points, so G and H. Tell చెప్పమ్మా, సుమదని చెప్పు, G అంతం చెప్పు. నేను ఇక్కడ అరేంజ్ చేశాను. జీ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ చెప్పమ్మా.
-1,4 సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ హెచ్
2,5.
ఓకే. So 2s is equal to, we have to write the x coordinates of g and h first and then put the comma, next write the y coordinates of g and h at the places of g h. 3 into g x coordinate minus 1, h x coordinate 2, comma, again 3 into g y coordinate 4 minus h y coordinate 5. This is -5, 12 minus 5, 7. It is 2s, and s is obtained by dividing by 2. S is equal to -5 by 2, comma 7 by 2. ఈ క్లాసు మీకు యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను, చేసి మీకు లింక్ పంపిస్తా. మీకు మధ్యలో అవసరమైతే అప్పుడని చూసుకోండి.